Can you work remotely as an accountant? I'll talk about that in this video. Hi, I'm Katherine. I'm your accounting tutor, and I help accounting majors like you through graduation and beyond. In a recent article by CNBC, accountants are listed as the #1 job that companies are looking to hire for remotely. There are a few reasons for this. One is because the job can generally pretty easily be done remotely. Things like making journal entries and running financial reports basically just need a connection to the accounting software you're using, which is generally the internet. Another reason companies are looking to hire accountants remotely is due to the shortage of accountants, as I've mentioned previously on this channel. With fewer accountants available to do the work, companies are having to make their jobs more appealing to the people who are available. Sometimes companies are making their jobs more appealing through higher salaries, more vacation time, better benefits, and sometimes it's through a hybrid or remote schedule. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the projected growth in accounting is 4% a year over the next decade, leading to an extra 126,500 jobs every year that need to get filled. Some of that will be from actual job creation and companies growing, and some will be from workers leaving the industry, either from retirement or for some other reason. This is all good news for us and is yet another reason why you should be an accounting major. Not all accounting tasks can be done 100% remotely though, like printing checks to pay vendors and processing receipts from customers when they pay via check. Technology is helping with this, but we're not all the way there yet, especially with small and medium companies that don't always stay on the cutting edge of new technologies. Somebody still has to physically handle stuff like that, and it's often a member of the accounting staff. If your job has anything to do with inventory, either on the side of the auditor, double checking physical counts, or on the side of the company, actually buying and selling physical goods, it's much less likely to be a remote position. Quick sidebar story time. At one point, I had a job with a service company that sold merchandise on the side, basically. While I wasn't responsible for the actual shipping of goods, I did receive order confirmations that I then had to forward to the shipping department once I confirmed payment was made. I was also in charge of the semi-annual inventory counts to reconcile the physical goods with what we have in our books and just generally maintaining the stock levels. So whenever it got low, reordering goods from our suppliers, things like that. I ended up moving away from that city and I wasn't able to stay on with that job remotely, even though 90% of what I did could absolutely be done remotely because of that inventory piece. That was several years ago and I don't have any hard feelings with that previous employer. It's just an example of one of the many reasons why you might not be able to get an accounting job remotely. The smaller the company you work for, the more likely the job will have to be either fully or partially done in office. A smaller company can have other perks and flexibility, though, that a larger company can't offer. That's the topic of another video. Would you be interested in that, to hear the pros and cons of a small company versus a large company? Let me know down in the comments. I'm interested to hear from you about your experience. If you have an internship or a full-time job, is it remote, hybrid, fully in office? Have you ever had a fully remote role, and what was your experience with it? Would you prefer a job that was fully in office, hybrid, or fully remote maybe? Tell me all of the things down in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks, bye.